Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir mes amis, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTW 24 traders. For all trade, we'll use the 5% money management rules and apply stop loss in all trade. This video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation or an offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. It is primarily for the TSTW 24 traders. The title of this video is a reliable day trading signal. What is a reliable day trading signal? Okay, how can one identify a reliable day trading signal? In this video, we're going to talk about a convergent signal. What is a convergent signal? Okay. So I will refer traders to our website, www.stochastic-macd.com. Click on the web page that we call convergent signal if you want to know more about the convergent signal. All right. A reliable day trading signal takes place at a convergent signal. All right. So you want to know what is a convergent signal, and you will be waiting for a clear-cut signal at a convergent point. Okay, when the price reaches a target point, which the Euro USD, you see there was this kind of a round bottom here, and a trader will use the descent from the base to the neckline of the round bottom, and as soon as the price break out, they will set a target. Okay, so as you can see, the price is at a target zone right here. You see, all right. So this is a conversion point. Okay, what is a conversion point? At a conversion point, one group of traders will be exiting the trade, and another group of traders will be entering the trade. Traders who are exiting the trade will be joining also those who are entering the trade, which make it very interesting. So you see here the bulls, that traders, market participants that are buying the euro, know that the price now at a target point, all right, they will be willing to take profit, all right. Because the bulls want to close their trade, they have to sell. Now, this is the group of traders that are exiting their bullish trade. At the same time, traders that want to sell know that the price is at a target point, and they also understand that the bull will be willing to sell or take profit here. This new group of traders that want to sell will join them and enter the trade here. So one group is exiting by selling, another group is entering the trade by selling, which makes it very beautiful. This is what we call a conversion point. A reliable day trading, a signal takes place at a conversion point. There are many, okay, conversion points which we cannot cover in this video. That's why I refer traders back to our website, www.stochastic-macd.com. Click on the convergent signals. All right, so this is it. So I want to start the Euro USD here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to be a little bit aggressive. In normal condition, we should use what we call the trading drill. So we are now on the hourly chart for the Euro USD, and this is a setup. All right, in normal condition, we shouldn't enter the trade on the setup time frame. We must use a multiple time frame trading method, the setup, the signal, and the low risk entry point. A TSTW 24 trader will go to the first best time frame or use another method of entry, okay, or follow the trading drill, all right? So though we are using the currency pair Euro USD, this strategy is valid for stock, for commodity, okay, and for futures, all right? So this is a conversion point. It does not mean that the price will definitely go down if we have more demand to buy. So that's why I draw this horizontal line here. All right, that's where, in fact, I saw the euro at 13760. 13760. Now, in this scenario, I have been a bit aggressive. Okay, aggressive. It's a bit risky because I am not following the trading drill. Okay, I am just being very aggressive. But for this kind of a crazy trade, which I'm aware of, that it's a bit risky, to disregard a little bit the trading drill is risky. I'm using 20 pip, and I will not move my stop loss. Okay, so my stop loss are 137. Okay, entry point 13760. This is my entry is 137. Okay, 80 here 13780. Color it into red. All right, that's it. All right, 20 pips stop loss. In normal condition, this is a setup, all right? So we can wait for a signal, okay? So for instance, I may go to the 10-minute chart. So the price now at a convergent point, you see it went up all the way here, displaying higher lows and higher high. So another method that I can use, okay, is that this was the high before the last high. Okay, this was the high before the last high. Okay, it's a bit I can decide to sell if the price goes back below this level, but there are different ways we can enter a day trade. The TSCW24 trader will use a different method, okay? But I recommend to the TSCW24 trader to combine the third best time frame and the first best time frame for convergent signal, okay? I'll prefer that, okay? That's why I'm a bit aggressive here, okay? So we're on a 10-minute chart, this is what we see. We can go, for instance, also, if I'm very, very, okay, eager to enter the trade, I switch now to the, okay, 2-minute charts. I join this point and this point, okay, this is a kind of support level, or in fact I can do like this. Join this point and this point, okay? So I can decide to sell if the price dip below this trend line here, the one that I draw here, which will drop down to this level and then retest it here. But I'm already in this trade because I sold it. I have been a little bit aggressive here. It's a bit risky, all right? I can also use okay, a common sense trend line like this. So that is a kind of if I draw a channel roughly like this, okay, so I may decide to let it roll it down, okay. But at a convergent point, the price sometimes can go very fast because why? Trader will place a limit order here to take profit. As the target is hit, okay, automatically this trade will be closed. The bullish trade will be closed, which means the sell activity may go on and the price will just go down, roll it down, roll it down, roll it down, roll it down, without following the normal position, the normal okay, market structure, which means pull back, retest, turn around. So if they are selling fast, they probably just roll it down, roll it down, roll it down, roll it down. But we will see, okay? But I'm already in this trade, okay? All right. Or one can wait. This was the latest high. Let's by the way, this video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation or an offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. It is primarily for the TSTW24 traders. Now, we can, because another thing I can say to trader, this was the latest high here. Okay, let's remove this one. Okay, that's it. Okay, so we can wait patiently until the Euro USD, okay, displays the first lower high. Okay, you understand? So we can wait patiently until we see the first lower high. All right? So we want something like this price go down a bit and then pull up a bit, display the first lower high, and then the common sense along here is broken. Are you with me? So you see the price went up fast and reaches okay, this the highest high, which is this one. We will prefer it, okay, to display, okay, the first lower high, somewhere here, okay, that will be a first lower high, and, okay, to continue the move down, which means the common sense trend line along this move from here to here is also kaput. Then we can sell. If the common sense trend line along this line is broken after the lower high, so price display the first lower high, and the common sense trend line along this price move here is kaput. All right, okay. and, okay, it's kaput, and the price closed, okay, so depending on your entry time frame, the price must close below this common central line. Very, very important. Must close below this line. So we can sell after that and place our stop loss above 5 pip or 10 pip above, okay, the latest high, which is this one here. This is just about following the price and understanding the language of the price, because here the price was displaying higher highs and higher lows. This was the latest high before we reach the target zone. We can be very patient, all right, and wait until the price displays the first lower high and the trend line is kaput and the price closed below the common center line. We can sell and then place our stop loss above the previous high. All right, but what I've done today, I've just sold it straight away, all right, because I see here you went up to this level and they start rolling it down. I want to sell at 13760, and as soon as you hit that level, okay, order filled, okay, right here. This is a very reliable day trading setup. As I told you at the beginning of this video, a reliable day trading signal takes place at a convergent point, when one group of traders will exit the trade by selling, all right, another group of traders will be entering the trade also selling. The inverse is also true when another group of traders will be exiting the bearish trade by buying. So if you want to close your bearish trade, you must buy, yes or no? By buying, and another group of traders will be joining will be entering the trade by buying also. So price going down, so the inverse is true. So we want to see the price goes down, okay, reaches a convergent point, a target point, very important, a convergent point. Now, the bear that was selling will have to close their trade, has to exit their trade by buying, and another group of traders will be entering the trade by buying. These are the bull. The second group is the bull. The first group were the bear, okay? So now, you can be very patient and wait for the price on your entry time frame. Remember the setup, the signal, a low risk entry point on your entry time frame, because here I'm on a 2-minute chart. I will expect the price to display what, okay, to display, okay, the first higher low. You see here was the first lower high if you want to sell, and if you want to buy, until the price display the first higher low. That will confirm to us that the bearish momentum is diminishing. So we will buy when the price displays the first higher low, all right, and the common central line along, okay, this price move here is also kaput, and the price closed the candle. So if you're on a 3-minute chart, if you're on a 5-minute chart, if you're on a 10-minute chart, the candle must close on your entry time frame. What I've done, as I explained to you already, this is aggressive selling. They can take me out, so but I know the risk. I know that it's risky, but I know what I'm doing, all right? So, but the best scenario is to allow the price to display the first lower high if you want to sell, or to display the first higher low if you want to buy, and the common sense lies kaput, and the candle is closed. I'm talking like this to get your attention, all right? Following the price, the language of the price. Higher lows, higher high in the uptrend, lower lows, lower high in the downtrend. If the price fails to display a new higher high in the uptrend, that will confirm to us that the bullish momentum is diminishing. That's why we want to see the first, okay, higher, the first lower high, the first lower high. On the other hand, if the price is going down, the price display lower lows, lower high, until the price fails to display a new lower low. But as I explained to you, the market is fractal. We don't want to use a single time frame. As you have seen, okay, I'm on the hourly chart for the Euro USD. I see a pattern, a round pattern, whatever you want to call it here. The price at a target point. This is a convergent point. Going to the mind of other day traders, okay, we are talking about reliable day trading signal. Reliable day trading signal takes place at a convergent point. Go to www.stochastic-market.com, click on convergent signal. Okay, do not just watch the video or stare at it. Pay attention carefully and try to understand. That's why all we care about, the understanding is the key. Once a trader understands it and text it, practice will make you better. Do not expect, okay, to trade like professional traders in one day. The experience count, the practice count, and I mean, I don't want to get involved with traders that want a quick fix in one day, in 1 week. That's not what we are interested in. What trader want to do it properly, give it a time, and play it. The time now in London, as we are trading, we are checking the time now, is 46 minutes past 2 p.m. All right, New York has just opened, okay? And usually professional wait the first 30 minutes. So normally it's 46 minutes past 2 p.m. in London. They wait until 3 p.m. in London, which is 10 a.m. in New York, before they will place the trade. Because I'm entering this trade now, I know also that, okay, George, normally you should wait 30 minutes more, but okay, you understand the risk, you are taking it, you want to control it and keep eyes on it, okay, without getting too emotional, okay, all right, now, okay, so, I mean, I hope you find this video useful. If you like it, share it. Why do we need to share it, okay? I explain to traders why it's so important. If you truly like video, which means you learn something from it, share it. It's important because other traders can make you lose, even if you are right. So the more traders understand this thing, they will not go around doing something else that can mess up your trade. That's why we post a lot of video on YouTube, on Facebook, on Twitter, sharing a lot of trading material with traders. If it's a confidential material, do not share it. Take it from me, do not share it, because in the trading in this market, we are very careful because the market looks like this, but it's controlled. All right, there are things we do not do. Okay, so all right, so that's it. All right, so to check my time now, because I don't want this video to be too long, I've been speaking to you now 60 minutes. I will pause this video because I want it to be under 20 minutes. So I got 3 minutes left. So before I pause the video, as always, traders that are following us know what I'm going to do now. Put my vertical line, which I'm going to color into what? Turquoise. Traders know that. Okay. And so we can come back to it without going over our, 20 minutes. All right. So that's it. I'm going to switch my time frame now back to the 10-minute time frame. Okay, and I'll leave it on the 10-minute time frame, and we'll come back to it and see whether, this trade is successful or not. Talking about a reliable day trading signal at the convergent point. Speak to you soon. Pausing the video for the first time. But before we go, the time in London is 48 minutes past 2 p.m. in New York, 48 minutes past 9 a.m. on the 18th of February, 2014. Speak to you soon. Okay, traders, what's happening here? What's happening here? All right, and we can see that since we sold the euro at 13760 and our stop loss at 13780, 20 pips stop loss, the market became very quiet. As you can see, we are on the 10-minute chart for the euro USD. It was very quiet. You see the price was going horizontal, and now it's coming back to our entry point. In this scenario, we will expect the price, very often you see that, we'll expect the price to go back up, to retest the high here, because normally if the price is going to go down, if it failed to go down, straight away, and the price going horizontal like this, very often the market would like to readjust itself, because other traders that are coming to the market would like to sell too. So they will prefer to sell at the best place, which is the previous high right here. So we will expect a double top. That's I'm moving my line now. So we'll expect the price you see is going horizontal here. We'll expect it at one point to reach this level here. I'm going to put a line there. Okay, the black line here. We'll expect the euro USD to retest this level, before coming down. So this is our expectation. As you can see, we will not move our stop loss, it's still here. So we are expecting the euro slowly but gradually to retest the previous high before coming down a big time. All right, so we will see. So that's it. All right, going to check now how long we have been recording this video, because we don't want to go over 20 minutes. So I'm nearly 20 minutes now, so I'm going to go over the 20 minutes because I will have to show you what has happened here. So I'll pause the video again for the second time because the market went very quiet. It's just going horizontal, so we will expect the euro to go back up to retest the previous high before coming down. We will see what's going to happen, okay? So I'll speak to you later. Pausing the video for the second time, but before we go, I'll move my vertical line to where we are stopping the video. You can see that it has been many hours, and the time in London is now 26 minutes past 11 p.m. So since we saw it when New York opens, it just went quiet and it's just rolling in like this. We expect it to come back to retest this level before coming down, okay? So speak to you later. Okay, traders, as we were expecting the euro USD to retest this level of 137.67, as you can see here. We entered the trade okay, at 137.60, and the market went quiet, and I was telling you that there's a high chance that the price will retest the previous high. That's where we are now, you see here. Okay, so he went back exactly as we were expecting to retest the previous high, and now it's above it a little bit, but there is a high chance that he will come back down, okay? So very often you will see that when the price will go very bullishly the whole day and reach a top, and then for one reason the price will go slowly, okay? It will have a quiet market, okay? And people will think that it's going to go down straight away, but very often it will slow down. But because the market is slowing down, traders that want to sell, they want to sell at the best place after a quiet market. And you will see that very often the price will push it back to retest the previous high. This is what's happening here. So, as I told you, my stop loss is still here at 137.80 using 20 pip, okay? So I'm still in this trade. And we will expect it, okay, to come back down, okay? But because this is the Asian session now, we entered this trade when New York was open. The market went quiet. We leave the trade on. By the way, this video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation or an offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. It is primarily for the TSTW24 traders. So as you can see, the time in London is 57 minutes past 1 a.m. on the 19th of February. Because of the time difference, you can see here it's saying Tuesday. In London, it's already Wednesday. Because in New York, it's 57 minutes past 8 p.m. All right? So, there's a high chance that, okay, we'll see, because we have to wait until London is open. But because the Asia session is quiet, hopefully during the London session, they won't push it too far to take me out. But I'm not going to change anything. I will leave it as it is. And we will see whether it's going to roll it down at this convergent point, okay? I'm going to pause the video again, all right? And we'll come back to it later, okay, when there is some action here, and to show you what has happened, okay? So pausing the video again, and I will speak to you soon. Okay, traders, the time in London is 15 minutes past 7 a.m. in New York, 15 minutes past 2 a.m. on the 19th of February. We have entered this trade yesterday when New York was open. This is 4S, and we entered the trade here. As you can see, the price, the market, the 4S market became very quiet, and you can see here we have this consolidation here. And very often when you see that the price will return back to retest the previous high, because traders want to sell at the best place. And we were here when I paused the video, and you can see since then the price now rolling it down. It came back to retest it. This is the Euro USD on the 10-minute chart, and now it's going back down. We will remain in this trade until London is open. In exactly 44 minutes, London will be open. And we'll expect, okay, the Euro USD to continue to go down, and we will grab our profit. The price return back below our entry point. This is our entry point at 137.60. All right, so we are still in this trade. We'll expect it to go down more. If I go to the hourly chart, to see the bigger picture here. You see, on the hourly chart we have this double top. You see, so here this is a convergent point, and we see this this bearish pattern at a convergent point. We will sell by all means, and I already sold it, and I was a bit aggressive here. And as I was telling you, if I go back again to the 10-minute chart to show you what's happening here. Okay, so there was an uptrend first. So see, if we draw, let's see, 1 second please, a trend line like this. Okay, this trend line now is kaput. Alright, if I draw another one, join this one and this one, pay attention carefully to what we are doing here. The first trend line is this point, joining this point and this point. Allow me to draw the first trend line. I'll color it in pink. Alright, joining this point and this point. Allow me to draw the pink trend line, joining this point where my cursor is, and this point. Allow me to draw this blue trend line, which I'm going to color now into orange. Alright, this point and this point. Allow me to draw. So the price, which is a convergent point, we want to sell, and I was explaining to you that there are many ways we can sell. But now on the 10-minute chart, we can see that the price has formed a double top. Right here, there was this high, and on the same high here, you see, top, top, top. The same zone, same conversion point. Okay. Now we see it here. There is okay, a lower high here, a high followed by a lower high. Well, there's a kind of a channel developing here on this 10-minute chart. Now I'm going to draw a line parallel to the first one. We have a channel in place like this. See this channel here. Okay, color it into red. As you can see clearly on your chart. Alright, the purpose of this video is to show traders, okay, a reliable signal at a convergent point. Reliable trading signal takes place at a convergent point. So, especially if you are day trading, you do not have the whole day. You want a reliable trading signal, and they usually take place at a convergent point. What I'm going to do now, I have too many lines on my chart. I will remove half of them at least. So and then we will pause the video and come back. If you want to know more about convergence signal, go to www.stochasticmarket.com and click on convergence signal. As always, if you learn something new, alright, test it, okay, retest it, try to understand it. Don't just know about it, because there's a big difference between knowing, which means knowing by your head. There's a big difference to know, okay, and to understand, alright. What we care about is about, okay, understanding. Okay, it's not all about knowing. A lot of people know about alien wave, they know about double top, they know about double bottom, they know about okay, convergence signal. But what we want traders to gain is the understanding. Okay, if you understand it, okay, you will master it, and you can filter out false signal. Understanding is the key. Sometimes it may take time depending on your experience. Okay. And this is what we are working on, okay? Okay, so I'm going to pause the video again, and we'll see what's going to happen. Pause it, so I'll put it at where we're going to stop the video, right here. And my stop loss is 13780. and we will come back to it, okay, later on. Okay, there should be more in this trade. Okay, so we will see. All right. What I will do now, because I'm not going to stand in front of the computer to watch it, I will set a limit order there to take my profit as soon as it drop it down. So the minimum profit should be here, yes. I've set my target, set a limit order for 137.20, 137.20. That will give me 40 pip in this trade. It's a day trading. And if the price hit that level, so I'm going to draw a line there. If you are not watching the screen, you can do this. And also, now I'll come off my stop loss now, so I'll have to wait. And a limit order to take profits automatically here. Alright, put green there. Where I want to take profit, a 137. Okay, 2-1. It's not 2-3, but 2-1. 2-0. 137.20. Gaining 40 pips in this trade, we'll see. Should go down more, okay? So I'll pause the video now, okay? I'll go back again to the 10-minute chart, and then that's where we are supposed to move it one more. So I will speak to you later, okay? Pausing the video. But before we go, the time in London is 24 minutes past 7 a.m. In New York, 24 minutes past 2 a.m. on the 19th of February 2014. Pausing the video. Alright, traders. As you can see, since we paused the video here, the euro is just going down. Even after London is open, it didn't go back to retest the previous high. And it's still going down, and we are still in this trade. Beautiful. So this is what we're talking about, a reliable trading signal at a convergent point, whether one is day trading or swing trading. One must look for, okay, a convergent point and follow the trading drill. As always, one must use, okay, a top-down trading method. All right, so the demonstration continue, okay, about a reliable trading signal. All right, so I will not, okay, take profit here. I will let it run more because I believe the euro USD should go down more. So far, it's working good. As you can see, the price respecting the channel here. I can extend the channel a little bit more. And we let it run and see what's going to happen, okay? Alright, so that's it really. Alright, so I'm going to pause the video again, and I will come back and see what's happening here. So before that, I move my vertical line here again. Alright, and hopefully by the time we'll resume recording this video, the euro may hit the target level for us at 137.20, where we will take profit. In fact, we have a limit order here to take profit for us automatically, okay? I'm going to adjust this a little bit, put it here, and like this, okay? So that's it really. So we'll pause in the video, and we will come back to it later. Speak to you soon. Okay, traders, let's wrap up this video, okay, this recording, this educational video, talking about reliable, okay, trading signals using a convergent point. We exit this trade right here, you see here. You see where the price was approaching the level of 137.20. As it was coming very close here, we exit the trade. Very often you will notice that you will set a target and you will expect the price to come there, and sometimes the price will come very close to the target, and then will go away. Myself, I don't like that because some traders are very smart, and usually you are not the only person that is trading setting the same target. You will see many traders looking at the chart will set their target almost in the same area. So sometimes these traders will decide to come out of the trend. If you are not careful, okay, you may be, okay, the last person out. And I don't like that. I prefer to be the first person out. You see that as the price was coming near this level, some traders took their profit, and you see how the price bounced up. And it came again very close. Other traders come out again, and you see that very often. So do not be too greedy, all right, because everybody's watching at this level. Okay, you see here. Okay, so they all came out. You see, most traders came out. The price may go down more, but the most important thing is that we have a winning trade. All right. To summarize this video, a reliable trading signal will take place around a convergent point. A convergent point is a point where a group of traders will exit the trend by selling, okay, another group of traders will be entering a trade by selling at the same time. The opposite also is also true when a group of traders will be exiting the trade by buying, all right. Another group of traders will be entering a trade by buying at the same time. This is a powerful, trading zones which allow traders to buy with, a very high confidence, because no one is willing, because the bull that were buying before, they are willing to sell, okay? They don't want to buy anymore. They were buying before. All the buyers that have seen the pattern that we have seen on the hourly charts, they have seen it. So now that the price approaching, you see this target level, you see the round button here. Now that the price was approaching the target level, these bulls will be very happy that the price reaching the target, is hitting the target. So they are happy to take profits. So this bull will sell. Because they are selling, the bear also understand that a pattern is completed or the price has reached a target point. The bear also want to sell together with these bulls that are coming out of the trade, creating a very, reliable, bearish momentum if we want to sell. On the other hand, when we want to buy at a conversion point, the seller that was selling before, as the price reaches the target zone, are willing to take their profit. They don't want to sell anymore because they know that the price has reached the target. If, for instance, you want to sell and you check the setup, you know that the price already at the target point. You don't want to sell now. You don't want to be the last person to sell. So most of the bears that are selling during a down move, as the price approaching the target zone, are willing to take profit. Not only 1%, majority, more than 60% of these traders will take profit. As they are taking profit, these bears must buy. As they are buying, the bulls that are standing aside, that are waiting, for the bear to finish their party, so to speak, will also join them and buy at the same time. All right, this is what we call a convergence signal. If you want to know more about convergence signal, go to www.stochasticmarket.com, click on the convergence signal. Do not just watch the video, study it, learn it, put into use, look for patterns, and wait for the price to reach a target point. As a day trader or as a swing trader, you want to trade well, the majority of traders, you want to buy, for instance, you want to buy when the majority of the market participants want to buy. The price has a high chance to go up. On the other hand, you want to sell when the majority of the market participants want to sell. And this usually takes place at the convergent point. This demonstration is now completed, ladies and gentlemen, and I hope you have learned something from it. It has been a long time since New York opened yesterday. Now you see how long it takes, all right? I enter the trade aggressively at 13760, set my target at 13720, looking for 40 pips. The price came very close, couldn't touch it, but we don't want to be greedy. You don't want to stay too long in the trade, all right, because it's not a swing trade as such. This is a day trading. The price may go down more, but we want to grab the first profit buckets, all right. If for instance here, we on the hourly chart, we can draw now a channel like this, which I was drawing on the 10-minute chart. We can draw another channel on the hourly chart. So this point and this point allow me to draw the bull bearish trend line. So I just draw another line here parallel to the first one, and we can wait. If, for instance, we will prefer the price to come down below our target level, and if it's still in a declining channel and hit the upper side of the declining channel, we'll look for opportunity to sell. Or if the price dip below our target level, all right, and then pull back again to retest it and find a resistor here on the edge, and we receive a sell signal, we'll look for opportunity to sell again. All right. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW 24 traders. Speak to you soon.